Now, Coursehero is really good. Coursehero is really good. Now, what it does is it helps you because all you have to do is actually upload the documents you want to study. Yes, you have to upload the document, and you see your AI, you see AI powered answers, explanations, recommendations. It's a one-click tutor that gives you the help you need and more. So just upload your study document by clicking here, or you can easily type your question. So your documents will be shared on learning platforms and used to extract content to assist in studying. So for the best results, you have to upload docs with many questions, document with many questions like multiple choice, fill in the blank, open-ended questions. It helps you study seamlessly to help you find all the relevant resources you need right within your own document. Gives you step-by-step explanations, recommendations, and help from expert tutors. This is an example I read. You send it there to analyze it like this. You can see give you similar questions with solution, expert tutorial help, and everything you need. It's very simple. You can even chat with your PDF. You can find materials for your course at your school. And by filling this, I'm a student at, write the name and the course is, and you can get the course material. So it has so many things, study guides, practical questions, test prep, so many helpful resources. You guys can also explore top schools nearby. You can succeed with study help shared by students from specific schools and courses. You just check through them and you can click on view more to see more. So don't forget, Coursehero is not sponsored or endorsed by any college or university, but it gives you access to these college universities. So you can also see the best from the brightest, discover study documents recently uploaded by other students. You can see them and you can try AI chat with your PDF, view more, get help from experts 24/7. So you can see you can ask a question and so much more. So you can download it on your phone, on your Android, iOS device, from extension, and you can also use as tutors. So it has AI chat with PDF, grammar checker, paraphraser, proofreader, spell checker, and Coursehero quizzes. So it's really good.